Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in your day. The why here is patterns and operations in systems. Just something you will all face in your life, throughout your life. So geometric mean, we're going to multiply them, and then instead of dividing, we take the root. Okay, so that's how it's different from arithmetic. So I'm going to try and do it on the calculators you guys use, because I think it'll be a little more authentic. 32 times 2. That's it. Square root of 64. 32 times 2. Square root of 64 is 8. Not that I needed to use the calculator, but just in case we had to. Could also do it this way, 18 and 8. I don't know what that is. Delete that. Oh. Let's try that. Okay, square root of 18 times 8 is 12. Let's check that. 18 times 8. It's 1 per 4, so that makes sense. Okay, so that's that. Let's skip down to these down here, because this is what you'll see in your assessments. Is this piece down here. So the way that this works, I'll just draw a general example. Call this J, this segment J, this segment K, and then I'm going to call this segment X. So the way that this works is, if they're right triangles, then X squared is equal to J times K. And we'll have different letters and it'll be spun around, but this is really what we're doing. It's just plug and chug with this. Okay, so let's do it. Number 9, H is 16, K is 4. So I've got the J and the K. Okay, because we're finding the height based on the altitude. So 16 times 4. And then to get rid of a squared, take the root. So X is the root of. I'll just do that on my calculator. And I got 8. Now, number 10 is a little bit different, in the sense that we have the altitude, or A, or X, or whatever we're calling it, but we have the altitude, and we're looking for one of the segments that compose the base. So let's plug in what we have. We have X squared equals J times K. Basically, the X squared, the height, is 9. So I've got 9 squared. I've got K is 3. I don't know what H is, so I'll put 3 in. And I'll go like that. Put a J. And I spun it around because it's more comfortable that way for me. Let's just solve. 9 squared is 81 equals 3J. Divide each side by 3. J is 27. And if I don't know that math in my head, then I just use problem solving strategy, use a tool. 9 squared divided by 27. Boom. That is all. Okay, 15. 15. D is 3. E is 12. We're just going to get C and F. So again, C is the altitude piece. So x squared equals 3 times 12. X squared equals 36. Square root of 36 is 6. So C is 6. And then F is, we just add those together to get 15. Moving down. E is 6, F is 10. So I'll redraw. F is 10, E is 6, and then I don't know what D is. Yeah, and I don't know what C is. We don't know. Well, I can get D pretty quickly because the whole thing is 10. So D is 4. Problem solving strategy, use your head. C is what? Well, x squared equals 4 times 6. X squared equals 24. X is root of 24. The root of 24 is 2 root 6, which as a decimal is 4.90. There you go. Alright, that is the last section of this chapter. We are going to take a test on this on the Tuesday of the week of spring break, which I do believe is the 29th. So 29th of March. And I might have given you this information yesterday, but whatever, you get it twice. Okay, and this will be the last test of the quarter. Quarter 3, and that'll put us 3/4 of the way down. Only 25% left to go in the school year. Wow. Alright, thank you for your attention, and I will be with you guys soon. Take care.